Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Retool for no-code app building, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Retool. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Retool website. Once the page loads, locate the Login button in the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you can enter your email address associated with your Retool account. After typing in your email, move to the next field. Now, enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if needed. If you have entered your details, click on the Login button. You may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication if enabled. Check your authentication method, such as an app or SMS. Input the code sent to you to proceed. Once authenticated, you will be redirected to your Retool dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. From here, you can start building your no-code applications. Explore the available features and tools in Retool. If you're new, consider checking the documentation for guidance. Now you're ready to create powerful apps without coding. That's how to log into Retool for no-code app building. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.